Look! These YouTube Faceless channels have earning potential of $20,000, $80,000, and even $300,000 per month. Do you want to run such a YouTube channel that draws millions of viewers and makes money? In this video, let's explore the top 5 ideas for creating YouTube Faceless channels that increase your engagement. Keep watching! Are you looking for some fancy and tech-related content to reach your audience? You can build stunning 3D virtual reality channels enabling viewers to explore other dimensions, such as having a VR spacewalk in the void 250 miles above Earth, and riding the tallest roller coaster in the world. No face needed here. But it requires non-stop creativity, specialized equipment like a 360-degree camera, and technical expertise. Here are 2 great examples of successful 3D VR channels, Vicinity 360 and 3D VR 360 videos, which give viewers immersive experience on different events. With an earning potential of almost $20,000 per month, these channels may inspire you a lot. To create dynamic and engaging 3D videos, you need a professional video making tool. VideoSolo Video Converter Ultimate can help you make 3D effects and customize parameters with simple clicks. It boasts a simplified user interface and essential editing tools to enhance your videos. Better still, you can efficiently compress your video for fast uploading to YouTube. Everyone experiences ups and downs in their life and might have a lot of moments of discouragement. Motivational videos can be a great way to inspire and motivate people. To create compelling inspirational videos, you can incorporate well-known quotes, engaging visuals, impactful sound effects, and messages that resonate with your audience. Or, feature role models from specific fields to showcase their journeys and inspire your viewers. Successful creators like Ben Lionel Scott and Be Inspired have produced a range of motivational videos. Such channels can bring in thousands of dollars in monthly earnings. If you are finding a helper to record audio, add sound effects, and even merge different video clips, try the VideoSolo screen recorder. Its audio recorder is best for recording high-quality system sound and microphone, having functions like noise cancellation and sound enhancement. Or, you can resort to these tools for trimming, compressing, merging, and converting your video. If you are excellent at a specific subject, how about offering some tutoring services online without revealing your identity? For example, the Organic Chemistry Tutor offers viewers lessons on math and science. The video screen only needs to show problem-solving processes with relevant diagrams, formulas, etc. Or, you can learn from the channel Daily English Conversation, which uses animation and slides to impart English speaking and grammar. As for monetization, you can make premium subscription plans, where subscribers gain access to exclusive learning resources and paid courses. Alternatively, collaborate with other education-related influencers to promote your brand. Keep watching for more good ideas of starting YouTube Faceless channels. Are you a crafts enthusiast? If you enjoy making crafts and DIY projects, consider recording and sharing your process on YouTube. It's popular now, and some DIY channels can boast over 9 million subscribers. You can just film your hands creating crafts like jewelry, phone cases, and other trinkets, explain the step-to-step process, and share some life hacks. Look! Girl Crafts targets objects for girls and young women, while 5-Minute Decor focuses more on home decorations. With the increase of views, you may earn money by joining YouTube Partner Program, selling branded products, getting sponsorships. The highest earning can be over $200,000. For those who are passionate about telling stories, you may share some original stories on your YouTube channel without showing faces. Choose any topic that you like. We recommend you try some bedtime stories or animated stories, which are highly shareable. Just like the channel Animated Children's Books, you can create animations to accompany the stories or use existing ones to bring the story to life. Or, get inspiration from Soothing Pod, tell bedtime stories to lull your listeners. Is there any idea that appeals to you and want to give it a try right away? Feel free to leave your comments or further questions below. Give a big thumbs up and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.